For over 50 years, our mission has been to build the most protective and innovative custom packaging solutions for the world's most demanding applications. That's why in 2009, we combined Pelican's manufacturing scale with Hardig Industries' engineering expertise to form the most trusted name in protection. Whether we're engineering for equipment, sensitive electronics, or a focused application, collaboration and innovation fuel everything we do. Through our multi-stage process, our engineers work closely with your team to customize a protective system that's tailored to your exact specifications. First, we partner with you to understand your application and performance requirements, right down to the environmental conditions your equipment will face. With your requirements in hand, we can determine the most effective protective system using materials best suited for your application. This is the stage where your customized solution takes shape. Whether your mission requires a simple case and foam set or a highly complex protective packaging solution, everything we design and engineer is tailored to your unique needs and applications.
Our customers have very precise expectations, and the team there designs and builds around that, and we test and validate around that.
Based on your needs, we can certify performance by subjecting the case to rigorous in-house lab tests, including shock, vibration, dust and sand, immersion, and thermal tests before your case ever leaves our facility. Our manufacturing process ensures that all of the materials and components meet or exceed your specifications. So, whether you need one case or 1,000, our manufacturing and quality control systems guarantee the consistency and reliability you need, all designed and built in the USA. We make it easy for your team to get the solutions they need. Trust Pelican to be your expert in packaging, so you can focus on what really matters, achieving your mission. Pelican, built to protect, to equip for the mission.